Everybody, this is Tim and Jess from the Real Financial Group. Uh, Jesse,
I had an idea. So it's 420 today. Apparently, it's been 420 all month, April of 2020. But today is April 20th of 2020, and so we thought we would go on the marijuana theme. We have I'd say 1 in 10 people who apply for life insurance won't tell us that they smoke marijuana, but they tell
Yeah, that's true.
they tell the medical examiner, which they should. But if they tell us in advance, we're able to shop them out appropriately. A lot of the carriers look differently on the use of marijuana.
right, just like a lot of carriers look a lot differently on the use of different tobacco products, smoking versus chewing. And actually, at this point, if you've been 5 years out from the issue of a policy and you were rated, you have the opportunity to go back, and most carriers have a different stance today than they did 5 years ago.
And if you do, so if you're pegged as a smoker because of the marijuana, you're paying twice as much as you need to, as a large number of carriers have changed their stance on the use of marijuana, especially if you vape or use edibles. It's much different than smoking it traditionally. I guess that's the right way. And in addition, so just saving money, cutting down your costs for life insurance, there's no reason to pay too much. The carriers have also changed their mortality tables. People are living longer, and so it costs less. And we've seen a significant number of cases where we were able to, for the same amount of money a month, extend the term out 10 additional years because of the lower cost of insurance. So when you combine those two things together, I think it may make a lot of sense to shop it.
Yeah, and I mean, this is a great time to get yourself a new policy if you either just want to extend the term or extend the amount of coverage, maybe just adjust and save some money. This is a good time to do it because companies are a little more open to writing business at the moment. We really thought it would go the other way around, but it's turned out that they're pretty open. So,
So before you go and you watch the Cheech and Chong marathon that I'm sure is on TV somewhere today, give us a call. And keep in mind when you are working with your advisor, your insurance agent, to make sure that you're telling them that you use marijuana ahead of time so that they can do their due diligence and make sure that they're getting you the best bang for your buck. So in the theme for today, we're going to tell you a really fun, clean joke that you can share with your friends, family, and children. Okay? So there's this little boy. His name is Johnny, and all the kids in the neighborhood think Johnny's the stupidest kid because they play this game with him, and they take a dime and a nickel, and they put it down. And they say, Johnny, pick one, and you can keep it. And well, Johnny always picks the nickel. And he's like, look how stupid Johnny is. He picks the nickel. And they do this, goes on and on and on. And so one day a new little boy moves into the neighborhood, and to show the new little boy how stupid Johnny is, they play this game that they always play with him. They put a dime and a nickel down, and say, pick one, Johnny, and you can keep it. And just like he always does, Johnny picks the nickel. And they say, look how stupid Johnny is. He picks the nickel and not the dime. So the new kid feels bad for him. He pulls him aside and he says, Johnny, I know that the nickel's bigger, but the dime's worth twice as much. You really should pick the dime. And Johnny says, you don't think I know that? I picked that dime. This game's over. I've made like $20.
in nickels.
20 bucks is 20 bucks. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you later in the week.
See ya.